Today's tutorial will show you how to set out of office in Gmail. To start, open up your Gmail account and click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to access your settings section. Click on See All Settings. Now in the General section, you scroll down and locate Vacation Responder. You click on Vacation Responder. Then you decide from which day you want to set out of office and the last day also. So the first day you want to set out of office, and you click here to also set the last. Now you go ahead and set the subject or title of the email. For example, now in the text area, you can write the contents of your message which is related to your subjects. Once that is done, you can choose to add an image, you can choose to add a link, you can also choose to change the font size of your message, the text size, you can choose to bolden it and so on. If you want this to go out to only those in your contacts, you click on this checkbox here. You tap on it. Once you are done setting it up, you click on the Save Changes button and your changes will be set. So that's it, guys. Now you can set up out of office notification emails. If you like this video and love to get more of this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.